Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be looking at weekly market analysis and let's see how market is shaping up for coming weeks also. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel to get latest updates on stock market related analysis and all everything. So let's continue right now. See. Okay, let's begin with this. Let me open a Nifty chart. I have put actually RSI here, relative strength index, so indicator, and we'll analyze from a weekly point of view, then a monthly, weekly, and all everything. We'll see how the chart is looking at for Nifty right now. So yeah, we'll start analysis right now. So if you look at RSI right now, which is giving an exit right now, you can see that the market is giving a retracement exactly. That is the reason why market is going retracement and choppy for right now. So it is just cooling off. RSI is cooling off right now. So and if you look at the previous momentum of the market actually, so market has rallied for almost from April 2020, you can say, right? So from here, if you look at it from here to here, market is rallied, right? So on a stretch, market is in a bull trend actually. That's why it is taking a little bit of time to retracement and all. It's happening. It's quite normal in the market. And if you look at it, here we have some waiting period in the market. Then after that, market took off. Then again waiting period. Then it took off. Then again it is coming and it's good actually. So probably it may go like this trend. Overall long term trend is up only, but these are all temporary roadblocks, we can say. That's why market is this is very good for market which is giving a healthy correction actually, if you look at properly, right? So this correction may be over in a coming days, so let's see. But you can see last few weeks in a weekly chart, this correction is going on. See what happens, like this patterns emerges, and also you can see that RSI in a weekly chart, it is trying to cross over, right? So once that crossover happens, we may see some momentum in a market. So whenever you see RSI, whenever it is crossed, you saw the momentum in a market, right? So that means we have some sort of momentum right now. But will it sustain or not, we'll see. But actually the trend which I am looking for is that like this, it is going right. So now probably it may rally like this to till this time, and then after that it can come. And if it start going like this is a very W pattern or whatever you can call it as. This is a good head and shoulder. This is a kind of uh, pattern which good for the market in a long term. So it may shoot up really very well. So fall is stopped, but let's see. If I go in a market, fall is stopped right now. But for this is the crucial support for the market, right? For last few days, I'm stressing about it. uh, this is really important level for the market actually. Why? Because this is where the market is bounced earlier, right? That's why you see that is where the reaction is coming from. This is where market try to accumulate, or try to wait and before it gives the big momentum right now, right? And if you look at it, it's given sharp momentum right now here, and it is retracing right now, which is good. So let's see on Monday probably. So let's look into the market. Overall, if you see, it is a retracement in a market in a retracement period right now. So it's actually it was expected. So let's see. But we'll look into the market for tomorrow's perspective also. Okay. So for tomorrow, if we look at it, in a daily chart, let me remove this RSI so that it may help you. Okay, so let's come back. So if you look at this is exactly, this is the resistance, right? So this resistance is being taken out here, and now it is trying to take a support from that level actually. So and if you look at it 1 hour chart, if I go to the 1 hour chart right now, so 1 hour chart, and you can see exactly that is where market is trying to bounce from here, right? Tomorrow that bounce probably usually Monday will not have much greater days usually, but let's see, because of the elections results and the market may react tomorrow. Delhi election results was there, right? So and market may try to come and touch this level and tomorrow probably, if it is a bullish market. So or else we'll wait, and in the next coming week it is slowly coming to this level. And ultimately, so what I can say is that if this breaks, that is when we see some momentum in a market, heavy momentum in a market that has to break. What was that? that is 23,805, around that level. If the market, comes and breaks that level, then we will have solid momentum upside. Till that time, we have to be a little bit careful. And this, has to take out. This resistance needs to be taken out. Monday, let's say if it is a bullish candle comes and closes like this, then it's good for the market to continue rally next week. Okay. The first, things, like first level which I can see 24,210, and next level we can see 24,762. This is the level for the market for the coming days. These levels has to be breached, this level and this level. If it is breached this level, then we can say market will move in a bull run mode again. Okay, that will be a solid confirmation if that breaks. Means until then we have to wait. So probably it may take some time and break and come back and retrace. That is a common, right? So it's come back and retrace and come back, break, like that it can move like this. Okay, so this is how actually market is looking right now. Right, if you look at the daily chart, it has created a supply here. You can see that spike is there, so that we'll see whether its bullishness continue or not. So I given my target for like the important levels. The need to look out. You should take it as educational, not an investment purpose, remember. So this is the level you need to keep eye on for tomorrow. Okay, so it may touch that level in the coming days probably. So it may go and try and break this level. Once it breaks this level in a coming week, next week I'm telling, we'll have some solid momentum. This is also will play as a very crucial level in the market right now. Okay, and if I look at some Nifty bank or Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also you can see in a weekly chart, right? So weekly chart you can see this was the consolidation zone. It has broken that consolidation zone in a weekly chart. It tries to come below and looks like a trap, and it's trying to move back upside right now. Okay, see what happens right now in this kind of situation. It is not yet confirmed it's a trend upside actually yet. Okay, so this was the support if you look at it carefully in a daily chart. Okay, now this resistance needs to be taken out. Once this resistance is be taken out, then we can reach to this level, and also you can reach to this level. Okay, coming levels actually. Till the time you have to be a little bit careful. First immediate is that this has to break. Okay, but after breaking also you cannot see it's in a bull run mode. But this main high is there, right? I will tell you if it is taken out. Okay, this is taken out means I will tell you market Nifty bank will resume its uptrend if it is taken out. But one thing which really worried is that there is a gaps. These gaps usually market don't like the gaps. Usually it will fill. That is what I'm waiting for. Let's see if the gaps filled or not. In the coming days, we'll come to know about it. And 1 hour chart, if you look at it, 1 hour chart, you need to keep eye on this level. Okay, again I'm telling you, very important level. If that level breaks, you'll see some momentum, sharp momentum upside in the market. Tomorrow if it is a bullish market, it has tried to go and touch that level, but in the coming days if it breaks this level, you will see some upside momentum in the coming days. Okay, so this is actually the more market, how the market is setting up for in a coming days. Okay, so yes, this was analysis, and we have some, like, let's look at some charts right now of the stocks charts. Okay, Hindustan Oil corporate exploration. Okay, so if you look at this chart, if I go to the 1 day chart, so it has broken out this consolidation zone. Okay, it has broken out this consolidation zone right now. It is trying to move above that, right? So it is trying to move above that. Probably we'll see some sharp rally upside for this in the coming days probably. Okay, let's see, this is a known stock you need to keep an eye on for study purpose. Okay, so 1 hour chart, if you see this, and looking good, and it is actually looks good actually. So above this level it can really blast upside in the coming days probably. Okay, and that also looks good, and one more, this also looks good, and uh, let's say another, let's look into this quadrant future. Okay, quadrant future, if you look at it, okay, quadrant future also this setting up very well. Okay, it's broken out here, and setting up very well, and broken the important levels upside. So you may see some momentum upside in the coming days for this also quarter in future. All right. So yeah, this is my weekly analysis. To conclude, it is market is not in a great shape yet. This is just consolidating market actually, and we may see if the major the levels which I shown, if it is taken out, then the market may resume its uptrend actually. But still, FIs, if you look at it, FIs are not in a mood to buy a stock, mood to come into the market. They're continuously selling for like a couple of months right now. But let's see if that improves. If I inflow, if I inflow improves, means we may see some trend upside in the coming days probably. Okay, so meanwhile the structure is just getting better and better. Structure has to get better and better. That's what I was coming to say, sorry. So if this structure gets better, then we will be having a solid foundation for a market in the coming like this. If it structure gets it and breaks it, then we'll have very good momentum upside in the coming years or also probably. Okay, so this is a market, it will test our patience, and it may consolidate, choppy, sudden fall, then sudden picking up a momentum. This is because in a range market is in right now, overall big range. It will play around this range for months, I think probably. Let's see how it's gonna plan out in the coming days. Okay, this is my market analysis, weekly market analysis for next week. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much.